Alright, when I click start game, you can click the next instruction button so you can see all the instruction on how to play the game. But since I already know, I will skip to the end. So, what did Persian officials do in extra 5 when they question the building work? So now, let's say I did not. There are options for us, and if I did not know the question, I can use the 50-50. That's the 50-50. This is the 50-50. So you see, 50-50. So I think B is the answer. Let's see. Yeah, I got it. Okay, so what tactic did opponents use to stop the work in extra 4? So if I don't know the answer, I will phone a friend, or let me just use the audience. So in this case, in audience we have human audience, we have computer. So I'm going to use computer pool. So computer is telling me I should pick A. So let's try. I believe it will be correct. They bribe counselors and road council. So let's see. Wow. So these are some of the features we have on this app that you can use. It's lovely, it's good, and you can enjoy it. This is on free mode, and you can always have access to the pro mode. And when you click here, you have all these settings. Where you can see the general settings, the output for this. When you are in pro version on the PC, you can do projection through NDI, and the Bible, where you can choose the Bible chapter you want. Currency, there are almost more than 100 currencies you can use. Instead of dollar, you can use your country's currency. So, and all of those things. And then there is the pro version where you can get the pro. Thank you very much.